About 4 lengths further back, we find Rock the Night Away. To the inside, Homeboy after going the grueling trip. We got a horse down in the far turn. Horse down on the far turn, driver on.
In my younger years, the first thing you do was get right back on another horse so you don't get time to think about what had happened. And, you know, it works on you, and the more time you're off, the more it works on you. If you jump right up, the next one goes all right, you basically put that one behind you that went bad.
What's the difference now with this horse? Did it feel good, even though it's been 2 years since you went down and I think you broke your neck?
Broke my neck and broke my back.
So 2 years later, you get on the horse, you have a safe trip. Does that feel as good as it would as if you had gotten on the next day?
It's just as good as if I'd have won the race. It really is. But this has worked on my mind since I've been put out. The man asked me to drive the horse, and I said yes. And then it's worked on me for the 3 days that I knew what was going to happen, or something stupid might happen that wasn't the horse's fault. But nothing did happen, and we all came out of it happy. And you know, 5th money isn't great, but it's a lot better than 6th, and a lot better than being in the hospital. So that's the way this business goes, basically.